Divorce can break even the strongest among us. If you're going through divorce right now, this message is for you. I know it feels like your identity has been torn away, like the life you built collapsed overnight. You don't just lose a relationship, you feel like you lost your place, your image, your future, your name. But stay with me for a few minutes, because what feels like an ending may actually be Allah protecting what's left of your heart. Divorce is not just paperwork. It's silent tears. It's unanswered questions. It's replaying memories at night. It's wondering, what did I do wrong? It's the fear of people asking questions. It's the shame that makes you avoid gatherings. It's smiling outside and breaking inside. You may feel judged. You may feel rejected. You may feel like you failed at something sacred. But listen carefully. Divorce is not always a failure. Sometimes it is a rescue. Sometimes it is protection. Sometimes it is Allah closing a door that would have destroyed your peace, your dignity, your faith. Not every relationship is meant to last forever, and not every ending is a punishment. We have seen worse endings in society: betrayal, abuse, humiliation, spiritual destruction. If Allah removed you before it reached that, that is not cruelty. That is mercy hidden in pain. Right now, your heart feels heavy because attachment was deep. You invested dreams, trust, vulnerability, and when something so personal breaks, it shakes your entire world. But your worth did not break. Your value did not break. Your future did not break. Only one chapter closed. Remember, Allah is Al-Hakim, the most wise. He gives. He takes away. He replaces. He heals. There are things we cry over today that we will thank Allah for tomorrow. Sometimes Allah removes a person because He heard conversations you didn't, saw intentions you couldn't, knew outcomes you would not survive. You are not abandoned. You are being redirected. This is the moment to return, not withdraw. Not hide from Allah. Run toward Him. Talk to Him honestly. Tell Him you are hurt. Tell Him you are confused. Tell Him you are tired. Allah is not uncomfortable with your tears. He is the one who collects them. Fill the empty hours with remembrance. Replace overthinking with dhikr. Replace self-blame with dua. Replace fear with tawakkul. You lost a relationship, but you still have your Lord. And when Allah stays, nothing is truly lost. One day you will look back and say, that was the moment my life restarted, not ended. Healing will come slowly. Peace will return quietly. Strength will grow invisibly. For now, breathe, pray, trust, continue. Allah can give again. Allah can heal again. Allah can write a love and a future better than what you imagined. You are not broken. You are being rebuilt. Turn back to Allah. Your safest place has always been there.